Hey guys, it's Melissa and today we have the Google Nest Hub. Now we already know with the 7-inch LED screen, we can watch YouTube videos, view recipes and all your DIY videos. But here are 5 more cool things you can do with it. So the Google Assistant now comes built in with a 7-inch LED screen. So what you can do is watch live videos. You can leave the news running on in the background and just carry on with your day.
So let's get the latest from Charlie Yaxley, who's from UNHCR. Welcome here.
You can choose from news sites like Fox, CNBC, Sky, and BBC. Now, because the Google Nest Hub has a visual display, you can now monitor your home and its surroundings through your connected security cameras. All you need to do is ask. Hey Google, show me the kitchen camera.
Okay, streaming kitchen camera 1 on kitchen display.
And here's a really cool thing you can also do with the Google Nest Hub. Ask Google to remember all those little things that you're bound to forget. Where you put your passport, where you put your keys. You can even ask it to remember your passwords. But don't do that. To get your Google Nest Hub to remember where you put your passport, just say, hey Google, remember I left my passport in the cupboard.
Okay, I'll remember that.
And that's it. The next time you forget where you left your passport, you can just ask Google, hey Google, where did I leave my passport?
I remember you told me. I left my passport in the cupboard.
Yes. Now, since we have the visual element in this screen here, that's really great for a digital photo frame. You can recall any photos synced to your Google Photos and display on the screen. You can also ask Google to help you find the photos you want to show. For example, you can say, hey Google, show my photos in Paris.
Showing your photos.
All my photos taken in Paris will be shown. And that's smart. Now, a really cool new feature is routines. By saying, hey Google, good morning, it then shows you all the useful information that you need for the rest of the day. For example, what's on your schedule, what's your route to work, and the weather.
Hi, Law. It's 1:07 p.m. It's currently 31 and mostly cloudy there. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 31 and a low of 27. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 36. Your commute to work is currently 12 minutes with moderate traffic if you take Bendemeer Road by car. Today at 7:30 p.m, you have Dr. Tan.
And that's it. That's 5 cool things you can do with your Google Nest Hub.
Remember, my email password is +544 329 429 6890 17.